Brush up your English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our channel where we make English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a handy phrase you've probably heard, brush up on. Stick around to learn what it means, how to use it, and let's brush up on your English skills together. Brush up on is a phrasal verb that means to improve your knowledge or skill in a particular area that you have already learned but may have forgotten. Think of it as dusting off old books on a shelf or polishing your shoes. It's all about making something shine again. We often use this phrase when talking about languages, subjects in school, or any skill that needs a little refreshing. The phrase, brush up on, dates back to the 1800s and comes from the idea of using a brush to clean or tidy up something. Just as you would brush your clothes to make them look neat, you can brush up on your knowledge to make it sharp again. When you want to say you're refreshing your skills or knowledge, you can use brush up on like this. Before my trip to Paris, I need to brush up on my French. I have a math test next week, so I'm going to brush up on algebra. You can brush up on just about anything. Want to brush up on your English? Here are a few tips. Read regularly. Dive into English books or articles. Practice speaking. Find a conversation partner or join a language exchange. Listen, tune into English podcasts or songs. Write. Keep a journal in English to practice your writing skills. That's all for today. Remember, whether you're brushing up on English or any other subject, the key is to practice a little every day. We hope this video helps you on your language learning journey. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English tips. Happy learning, and see you next time.